Ito po mga naghihintay. Pasok doon. Yan, yatters. Oh, God first. Oh, God first. Let's see, JD. Anak ni Boss Riser Paul. Hello. Mga anak po ni Boss Mai. Hey boss, congrats boss. Si Ma'am Daini. Buenas.
Iwan na tayo dito, iwan na. Vlogger, iwan na dito, vlogger. Vlogger, iwan na dito.
Boss.
Yes, sir! May babae sa akin.
Skosi, dada, skosi. Begitu lah, skosi. Begitu ya, skosi. Skosi, betul, skosi. Skosi.
Oh, congrats. Let's see. Thank you po. Salamat. Ito yung max, sir. Ito yung max. Sir, ito yung max.
Constitutional Elections. CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvass of Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Mayor. May 12, 2025 National, Local, and Bar Parliamentary Elections. May 12, 25. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1,584 Class 36 for the candidates wherein for Mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by precincts, CEF number 20-8, garnered by each candidate for the office of Mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Dumagoso Isko Moreno garnered 580,825 votes for the office of Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office.
Iwan na nga 4 na taon.
On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning as a duly elected Mayor of NCR City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Manila, Province of NCR Manila on May 13, 2025, 8:50 p.m. City Board of Canvassers, Jerry Jimenez, Chairperson, Giovanni Tilig, Vice Chairperson, Teresa Lumeda, Member Secretary.
Yorme! Yorme! Yan ang tunay at totoo! Pamilya, pamilya, pamilya na, pamilya! Pamilya! Oh, pamilya! Yan ang pamilya Dumaguso. Ano yung nagpasabog na? Congratulations, pamilya Dumaguso. May umusok ba dun sa... Dolesi, may umusok ba sa ano, sa clock tower? Meron yan! Yorme! 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 Tama ba? May umusok?
Thank you very much. I have no words, but thanks to the people of Manila. I'm grateful to each and every citizen of the city. With this type of mandate, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. Lastly, ako naman, alam ko sa June 30 pa uupo, baka naman kung may visa pa yung salita ko ngayon.
Muna tayo bukas! Wala po
Ito
naman!
naman, mananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing Israel.
Kaya kita idol na idol.
Words, hurtful words thrown to us and to you. I know. But sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in victory. Pinanawagan ako sa inyo lahat, paupahin nyo na ang damdamin ninyo.
Yes! Tapos na ang politika.
Huwag tayo mag-away-away. Let's move on with our lives.
Yes!
We must work together because together we can make Manila great again!
Charger.
Di ba tapos si Vice? Parang hindi na saligaw.
Busy naman!
Kailan naman? Pinatay namin sa Asiyo. Kailan pinatay namin sa Asiyo?
Ice tea! Ice tea!
Still.
Ice tea! Ice tea! Nico! Ice tea! Ice tea, tawag ka po! Pagdaan si Ice tea. Dito, dito ba? Dito. Ay, ano niya lang po?
Eh, si Vice po, no, susunod siya. Alisa Smith, shoutout.
Liwanag ng dilim!
Ikaw ang ating sigaw mo! Oh! Oh! Dilim!
Ikaw ang... Ayan, lumiwanag tuloy man.